Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your regular support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. Today is a special day for all of us. It's a festival of happiness, harvest and joy. Wish you all very happy Pongal. Let us start with the analysis. I'll be doing the analysis from the higher time frame to lower time frame and will be sharing you the support and resistance levels for all the time frame analysis. Please use these resistance and support levels for entering and exiting on your trades. Please also use trend lines with the support and resistance levels to achieve higher success rate. I'm in daily time frame now. When we look at the price action in daily time frame, as explained earlier also, the current price action from the higher side or from the lower side is narrowing down. So we have a range bound market or a sideways market which is consolidating within this symmetric triangle pattern. On the upper side, level between 1834 and 1828 is acting as a very strong resistance, whereas on the bottom side we have the 1783 level acting as a very strong support, preventing the market from falling down. Currently, the price action has tested this resistance level of 1828 and it is on a retracement. But when we look at the price action, most of the price action are on the upper side, and you can see that the price action is slowly moving on the bullish side, but it has to break this resistance level to actually start its bullish trend. If it goes on the bullish side, we have the next level of resistance around 1863. So as I had mentioned earlier also, this price action is actually replicating the past price action. So we can see that price getting rejected at this level. So I am expecting the price action to have a trend reversal like this and a bearish trend reversal to happen. So I am expecting the price action to test this level of 1783. Although the current price action looking very bullish, I am expecting a trend reversal from this point. These are all the support and resistance levels in daily time frame. Currently the market is on a retracement and trying to form a double top pattern. If the double top pattern needs to complete, it has to retrace to the 100% level. So I am expecting the market to retrace to this level, or if it manages to break this support level, we can expect the market to come further on the bearish side. The next level of support is going to be around 1763. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. I'm in 4 hours time frame now. Here when we analyze the market more closely, the price action is nicely trading within a bullish channel pattern. It has gone up, retraced and gone up. But when we look at the price action, the price is getting rejected, or it couldn't clear this resistance level of 1828, and currently it is under a consolidation. But when we look at this shadow or wicks, you can see that it has come up to the level of 1813, which means that the price action will again retest this level. And I have drawn the midline of this channel pattern to highlight how the price action is moving. You can notice that every time it tests this midline, the price has bounced back, and when it broke also, it tested the level of 1783 and again the price bounced back and it started its bullish trend. So most of the price action is happening above this channel pattern midline, which shows that the market is still bullish, but this level is acting as a very strong resistance. We have to wait for this level to be broken to actually confirm that the market is in a bullish trend. For now it is consolidating and trying to break this resistance line. Let us see how market goes. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all the support and resistance levels in 4 hours time frame, and currently the market is under a consolidation between the support and resistance level of 1828 and 1812. If the consolidation continues, we can expect the market to take a bullish trend reversal. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. So I am in hourly time frame now. We already know that the current price action is trading within a bullish channel pattern and it is in a consolidation for now, but the price action has not broken this support level of 1812 and it has not broken this resistance level of 1828. It is sort of on a sideways for now. And when we draw the trend line and check the trend of the market, it was on a very nice bullish trend and it has broken this dynamic support level or the trend line and it is going on a sideways for now. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all the support and resistance levels in hourly time frame. Please mark these levels in your chart also. So whenever the price action bounces back from this resistance level, you can go on a bearish side trade. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame, there is a dynamic resistance line from the daily time frame acting as a very strong resistance for now. This area of resistance, which is around 1828, acting as a very strong resistance. Currently the price action looks like a bullish trend, but I am expecting it to take resistance at this level and a trend reversal to happen. So you can draw trend lines like this to know the trend of the market, and whenever the price action takes resistance at this level and bounces back, you can go on a bearish side trades. Let us mark the support and resistance level for 30 minutes time frame. So these are all the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. Currently market looks very bullish. Wait for it to have a trend reversal, because overall when we notice the price action, it is on a bearish trend. Currently it is on a retracement only and it is forming a very nice inverse head and shoulder pattern. I am expecting the price action to take resistance at this level and to bounce back on the bearish side. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. So these are all the support and resistance levels in 5 minutes time frame, and currently the price is on a bearish trend, and you can notice that the current price action has momentarily breached this support or resistance level of 1823 and it is making a trend reversal. So mark these levels in your chart, and whenever the price action breaches this trend line, you can go on a bearish side. Still it is in a bullish trend, so wait for it to break this trend line or the support line, then go on a bearish side trade. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends. Wish you all a very happy Pongal.